Today I'm trying to fix this light issue. You see the right backup light is somehow having issue, and now I'm in the reverse mode. Here you can see the left one works, but the right one is kind of dead, and I have to use this tool to unscrew it. So this is a T25 1 feet long tool, so I need to stick all the way inside here, stick into this one. And actually this is how long I need it, so actually you don't need the full length. I only need about 1/3 of a feet to stick inside to unscrew it, and later I'm going to change the light bulbs. So eventually this is the light I bought for myself for the Audi Q5 2019, bought from Amazon. So this is how it's coming out. Like here's the little hook things hooking to that small piece, and here you can see this is the light, something connect here, and probably this one should be the backup light. Let's unscrew it. Okay, so now I have already installed the light bulb, and you can see the arrow has been off. You may need to restart your car, restart the system to clear the error code. So right now there's no code, and my car is in reverse. It's in reverse. And let's see what this looks like outside. And here I got the new LED one. It's pretty white and clear, and yeah, that's my basically my backup light fixed. So here I want to show another video of how we switch the light bulbs, get it out from this 2019 Audi Q5. So yeah, I've already fixed my other one, and because this one is in different light color, so I'm also changing this one, trying to show you guys how I fix this thing. Okay, so first you need to put up this one, probably on this side, to put this up and get it out. So there you pop it out, and here it goes. So you need to find the screwdriver hole right here and try to stick all the way into it. And this screwdriver is T25 1 feet long, so probably I only need like 3-4 inch. Stick it inside, try to feel it, try to make sure you fill in the screw and try to unscrew it counterclockwise. There we go. It feels all the way unscrewed, and put it out and try to use your nails to just put it out. Try to carefully put the other side out. Now we put all the things out, and we can get this out, and we can spin this thing to get this light bulbs out. And make sure the camera's out. Very tight. It's very tight. But now we got this light bulbs out. So we just put it out like that. So the socket is named after like the W16W. So the socket, this one is called W16W. So as long as you get the same socket, same interface, you should be able to put this light in. So this one is also W16W. just stick it inside. Okay, there it goes. You just stick it inside. It's nice and tight. And you stick it back. Side in, we screw it again. There you go, I got a screw. And now it's tightened all the way up. So now it's tightened. So you can now put it out. So just put this back, snap that in, and that's done. Let's try to restart the car. So right now I'm switching to the reverse and no error message about my light. Here we go. In the outside you can see both of the lights are being switched on. That's a bit.